3, 4. Where is James? I don't know where he is. James. I think he's gone. Oh no, where'd James go? Getting worried about him. Where could he be? Where? I think he's gone. He's all gone. James? Where are you? I think I see feet. Are those his feet? Is that... I see a foot. I see a hand. There he is. I see him. And he's gone. Where'd he go? Where is he? James Parker, where'd you go? The bush is shaking. What does that mean? The bush is shaking. Could he be in the bushes? Could he be in the bushes? Uh-oh, I see feet again. Whose feet are those? And now I see a head. I think I found you. Hi, pretty boy. Oh, I can barely see you. You're all the way in the bushes. What do you have in your hand? What is that? Flower? What's that? Bugs?
Yeah.
Yeah.